Science Academy is here.
I have a big question.
Yeah.
Before we go through these explosions, can you wear these glasses on your nose?
Yes, Steve,
They
I'm
can.
okay.
You're all right.
Yes, they're going to
Okay.
protect the new nose
Okay.
at all costs, right,
All
Rick?
right, perfect. Yeah.
What do we have?
So,
You're gonna
Professor
show us
Egg at Science Academy. We are back to school. Kids sometimes fall asleep in school. We want to wake them back up, so we have
Okay.
some awesome reactions.
Okay.
Now, the first one right here is what we call the genie in a bottle. If you can just hold that funnel.
Okay.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour in some hydrogen peroxide. Now, your mom probably put this on you when you were a kid. That was
Yeah.
3% strength. This stuff is 10 times stronger, 30%.
It's doing nothing.
Yeah, it's not because we have to put another chemical in there. So if you just
Okay.
want to take that
Look
off.
at that.
Okay.
Now we have another little chemical here, it's what we
Can I-
call a catalyst. What you're going to do is just throw that inside there and see what happens.
Okay,
All right,
ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
So
nice.
what's happening here is we have a lot of steam coming out the top, and if you can watch the bottle, see what's happening?
It's sucking in. Is it melting
It's
in?
getting super hot.
What's
Now this
the
reaction
smell?
is really hot. Feel how
Oh my
hot that
goodness,
is.
it is hot.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
It's boiling hot. So what we're actually making here is steam. So that's our first reaction. Now that one needs what we call a catalyst to actually make it happen.
Signals.
Wow, it's like a facial, Lisa. You have to understand,
Awesome.
Lisa lives every day as if she has a significantly
It
better
smells
health
pretty
plan
bad, so I really
than
wouldn't
the
use it
rest
at
of
this
us.
spa for sure.
Okay, what are we doing here?
This next one we have to do really fast. So these are rockets because kids always want to be
Steve,
astronauts.
where
so
are you? I want you to
I
get
want
there.
you to get
You want to do the middle one?
Okay.
Whatever.
All right, so I'll show you guys how to do it, and you have to do it. So all you're going to do is you're going to take this little antacid tablet, you're going to stick it inside here, but then after, you have to put the cap on really fast and flip it upside down. So just flip it upside down, as fast as you can.
Oh, dear.
Cap and flip
Oh, dear.
them.
Come on,
Oh, dear.
Get out of the way,
come on, come on, come on.
Oh,
Get out of the way.
Okay, ready?
So what's happening inside here is we're actually getting a reaction with just 2 chemicals. So those chemicals right now. Are we going to get any duds?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, we got it. 2 more.
Wow, very good. One more. Wait, okay.
Nailed it.
So right here we had another chemical reaction, but this one we didn't need a catalyst. So all we did is mix our antacid tablet with our water. They had a chemical reaction. They made another chemical called carbon dioxide, which pushed up and pushed those into the air with pressure.
That is a fun game with Grandma's antacid to play at home. That's fun.
Scaring her to death,
Okay,
right?
now what's the last
Awesome.
one?
So this last one, we do need glasses. This one's pretty
Okay.
intense. So you guys all heard about foam parties probably. This is our
Yes.
version of the foam
Foam party.
Except we make our own
Spring
foam.
break right here
That's
in the
right.
Yeah.
house.
So do you guys want to just grab the detergent first?
Elephant toothpaste. Why
Pop
is it
'em
called
open.
elephant toothpaste?
Oh, you'll see
Hold it
why.
in.
And just do like a big squirt, not too much. That's good. Perfect.
I always like to do a little
that's
extra.
good.
Oh, he gets mad at me.
No, that's okay.
What else?
That's perfect. That'll work. Now the next thing is we gotta color it. So if you want to just grab the food coloring,
Okay,
we have
I'll
red
go
and blue,
red.
and then just this one you can just actually just super
Oh, it's like the
Got
Matrix.
it. Perfect.
Okay.
All right. Now we are gonna need some of that hydrogen peroxide again. I'll pour it
is this a
just because it's
competition?
super strong.
Always, Steve. When is
Yeah.
it not a
Oh, super
competition?
careful.
What is this that I'm going to wait? What is this?
So we're gonna wait a second for that. So this
Okay.
is the hydrogen peroxide we just poured in. And what's gonna happen is when we add this next chemical, it's actually pretty unstable and it's gonna decompose into 2 things, water and oxygen. So when you pour these in, you have to back up unless you wanna get your clothes super dirty. You guys ready?
Ready?
All right, here we go. 3,
2.
do the same time, same time.
One,
3, 2, 1, go.
Go, come on.
Nice.
So you can see the heat on this one too. It's super hot, right? Now don't touch
Oh,
this
don't
stuff.
touch it. Okay.
This
Oh,
shit'll
it's
cool
like
off.
Spring Break '96.
Yeah,
in
so
here.
this stuff is really hot, making chemical reaction. We don't do this one in the classroom, but we love it for camps and
Oh
and
my
for parties and
goodness.
stuff like that.
But wait,
Yes.
it'll never stop.
It actually goes on for a really, really long time. It goes on for a couple of minutes.
We're gonna have to
and you can
change
see the
studios.
steam, the heat coming off that.
Can you do this in a dishwasher?
If you're in your
actually-
dishwasher,
actually,
you could
put it
absolutely do
over.
it in your dishwasher.
Roxy, everything has germs first, so let's see how she reacts to this.
No, this is all soap.
You
This
can
is
feel
clean.
it. So it's sort of, but it's got that hydrogen peroxide, it's got some
I
iodine
touch
in it,
it?
but you can feel the heat. Don't touch it for now, even though it's safe,
Yeah,
just
what is
because you
the
get
heat
some
coming
nasty stuff
from?
on your fingers. So the heat is coming from the fact that this reaction creates heat. It's what we call exothermic. So when that hydrogen peroxide decomposes into water and into oxygen, it creates a ton of heat, and you're seeing that steam that
I
comes
like the
off
way
the
it
top.
smells.
Maria Quaban
Yeah,
can
it's very
use
soapy.
exothermic
Yeah,
in her
I love
forecast
soap.
later.
Wow.
Pretty cool, right?
Also, it takes on different shapes as you're
Look at
watching.
It
the
takes
It's
on
so
whatever, that's why it's called elephant toothpaste. It's just kind of,
Mine's just now
Keeps
really
going.
going at it.
Yes.
You see that?
it's late bloomer.
I think they're,
Like
wait a minute,
myself.
I think they're mating.
We might be. We might